There's Josh.
Hey. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
That is an awesome setup.
I appreciate everything that you do
Oh,
for the
thank you.
community.
Appreciate that, man. Thank
Josh,
you so much.
Thank you so
Thanks.
much for all you do.
This is a cool setup.
We will give you
Drive
an
this to my
exclusive
radio's
tour.
right there. That's amazing.
We will.
Where all the beer is, right? That's
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, how long are you guys out here for? 'Cause I gotta go get
We'll be here all day.
All right.
That's slick. This is no joke.
So we're a complete volunteer group.
Is it? I was going to ask you, who funds all this? Where did this come from?
This comes from our local fire district, San Ramon Valley Fire District.
Wow.
We're a group of about 12 volunteers.
Wow.
We maintain, we operate, and we also drive the rig. And so we've
That's
been out
cool.
on CAL FIRE events,
Yeah.
and we've done the creek fire over here.
Oh, yeah.
And there's one of our fire maps that we've printed out. We've been on the creek fire, we've been on the corral fire, and we also do tons of public service events like this, or fun runs, or marathons.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see this is the rendering of our new rig that we're going to take delivery in January.
Oh, this is the old one? This is amazing.
This is 20 years old.
Oh, you want to drop this off at my place? I'll take it off your hands. This is great. My new daily.
Yeah.
Mobile studio.
Well, it's
Yeah, I could.
fully self-contained with generator. We have satellite data.
Excellent.
And we also have redundant air cards in our technology center. So we have load shedding and communications redundancy.
Jeez.
And then you'll go up here.
Yeah, let's
When
take a
you
look
go
up there,
when
too.
you go into the dispatch area, you'll see all of our radios.
Uh-huh.
We have 4 dedicated dispatch locations. We can take over 911, which we did do in December.
Did you? Really?
Yeah, our dispatch center relocated from one building to another. So for about 14 hours, we had 4 professional dispatchers here dispatching 911 for the San Ramon Valley Fire District and San Ramon PD.
Wow.
So they do both.
Mm-hmm. That is impressive. Yeah, let's take a look up front here. Yeah.
So this is our dispatch area.
Wow.
And we have all of these radios are networkable.
Okay.
So you can sit here at one of your dispatch locations and using software, we can click on any of these numbered radios and then be able to talk out of it. Or we have
So you could hypothetically run with less than the people for every radio. Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
Or we have the ability of taking 2 radios and patching them together.
Oh, nice.
So if you have other agencies that come in, then we have their state CAL FIRE load on one, but say we need them to talk to CHP on low band,
Right.
we can do that.
Wow.
So we have low band VHF. Our Motorola's here are VHF, UHF, 7 and 800 megahertz.
So you've got
Yeah.
many band coverage.
Many bands.
Yeah.
And we have VHF, UHF, the Kenwoods that we can also have ham stuff programmed into it too. You can see right now we have our local repeater program.
Oh yeah. Right on. And then these are all your rugged computer
We do
solutions.
mapping. We have a 24-inch plotter in the front, so we can print out those fire maps.
You got a plotter too? I saw your laser, but you got a plotter here.
All of these things here, we
Yeah.
print it out on our printer.
Here.
Yeah,
Oh
in the
my
rig.
gosh. And so this is kind of same side,
Same
similar.
side, so we can have up to 4
Are there any
dispatchers. We have airband. We have a marine radio that we took that out to put in the new rig.
Okay.
So some of the technology here has been downgraded a bit because we're sending everything over to Florida to be installed.
Wow.
So everything's voice over IP.
This is one of the most well-appointed vehicles I've seen. This is
But
amazing.
it's a group of volunteers that
This
that
is
operate
crazy.
We're 20 years old too.
You guys are. This is amazing. This is really well put together. Are you running power too? Like, what is this, an amp down there, or that's the body of the radio?
That's the body.
Okay.
That's the Motorola brick.
Okay, and that's 100 watts.
That one's 110. Most of them are 50.
Got it. Okay.
But we have power poles up front for
Mhm.
12 volt stuff, and then 110 for anything else you need to plug into.
Wow. Show me up here. Yeah. I feel like Buell Hauser.
You're nerding out.
I am. Yeah. Hey, Louie, get a look at this.
Well, wait a minute. I need to meet you. What's your name?
I'm General Bob,
General Bob.
and I'm a real general, not a hookup.
Really? From the war?
I'm still active.
Oh.
At 98.
This is awesome. Is this just an extension of another operating position, or obviously you got the driver's
That
space?
is like a GIS mapping workstation area.
Oh, okay.
Plotter sits up there. It's all our interoperability racks. So we have what's called PC 1000.
Uh huh.
That allows us to patch
There's your plotter.
It's a truck system which has about 500 milliseconds transmit and
Uh-huh.
matches to an analog simplex channel.
Yeah.
That way, when someone keys up on the analog simplex channel, it captures it knows to store that additional 500 seconds of data, delays it a
That's
little bit,
sweet.
so it'll transmit shoot versus don't shoot if you transmit on both sides. So,
Sure.
it's,
Man, good work, guys. This is very impressive. I didn't really take a big enough walk around the outside. I got to do that now too. But yeah, thank you for showing me this. This is really slick. Good job.
Yeah, thank
I-
you for your time. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Take you outside and point out some of the
Sure.
Besides going to CAL FIRE events, we also interface with the Central County SWAT team.
Uh huh.
So SWAT team can request us to go out to events for high risk search warrants and barricaded suspects, and we'll go out and run communications out of this. We'll have a tactical dispatcher up front.
Uh huh.
We'll have the crisis negotiation team. in the
Sure,
back.
because you got a little meeting room and everything. Yeah.
And we'll run the whole incident out of here.
How quickly, if you were deployed, I mean, you're operating before you even get there, likely. You've got people that are just operating live. You get set up, shoot
It
that
takes
up,
us
and
probably about 15-20 minutes to get set up, as long as we get a band plan over 205
sure.
of the incident. We
Wow.
can certainly do that.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for showing this to me, man. This
Thanks,
is,
Josh.
this is really a surprise here. This is
Awesome.
great.
I'm glad you came down and you
Yeah.
got to see it.
Fantastic.
And,
Nicely
like
done.
I said, I always enjoy